guys, it's Kendra Sue. Today I wanted to make a video on curling your hair. I curled my hair almost every day, I think of junior year maybe? Anyways, I used to have really long hair and I used to curl it every single day. So where it got to like second nature to me to just curl my hair. When I cut my hair really short, I had to get used to curling it a little bit differently. Now it's like medium length and it's still a little bit different. But if you want to see how I got here, then keep watching. So I'm starting off with clean hair. I know second day hair actually is known to hold curls better, so if you have second day hair, it'll work too. The curling iron I am using, I have had for a while now. Probably since middle school, and it is the Conair U-Curl curling iron. It's just the one that goes from like thicker to thin. I've gotten a lot of use out of it and I really like it. First thing I'm going to do is just brush through my hair. So when I had longer hair, I had a few different techniques. Sometimes I would section my hair, sometimes I would put it in a ponytail, curl the ends and just let it go and just touch it up a bit. And sometimes I just wouldn't even section it and I would just go right in. But with short hair, I find that it is best if I section it off. So I'm just going to kind of do half down, half up. Boom! Next, I take the leftover pieces and separate it into two sections. To make sure this side doesn't get in the way, I am going to tie it. Now let's start curling. So I usually start in the front, take a section about this big, not too big, not too small. I'm going to take this piece of hair and wrap it outwardly. So it's going to go around like that, and this will just make sure that it is out of my face. I don't use a glove. I've burnt myself a few times, but it's okay. I just usually leave it on there for 10 seconds and then comes out a curl. Some pieces, if they are thinner, they'll curl a lot faster than 10 seconds, like that one. Some you need to wait a little bit longer. I don't really have a method to where I grab the hair. I guess I just kind of mostly start in the front and work my way back. My curling iron just came undone. Okay. Well, this isn't gonna work either. How about I use an extension cord? One thing I really like about this curling iron is that it heats up really fast. And the setting I usually put it on is 330. My hair holds curls really well and it curls pretty easily, so I don't have to put it on 400 and fry my hair. So we got one side done. Usually I just briefly run my fingers through it to separate the curls. See if there's any I need to touch up. Side one is complete. So now I'm just gonna repeat the same thing that I did on this side. I personally had a really hard time learning how to curl hair with the curling iron with the like clamp on it. I don't know why, I could not figure out how to do it. So if you've never curled your hair before, I would definitely recommend a curling iron like this. Bing ding. Another side is complete. And now we're going to move on to the top section. So now I am going to be starting again on this side and curling the hair that I just let down. I think now I have like medium length hair, but when my hair was really short, it was a lot harder to curl. But I managed to do it. You just gotta focus more on the ends of your hair. So I have been doing this for a while, but when I first started curling my hair, I had a lot of different sections. If your hair is thicker, you'll definitely want your hair in a few more sections, but my hair is kind of, I think it's like medium. It's not really thin and it's not really thick, which is like perfect for curling hair. It's crazy. Okay, I got that side curled and basically finished. Now curling that side. Always remember to get as close to the curling iron as you can if you want your ends curled. This curling iron did come with a glove, but I don't use it, as you can tell. it is done. This is the finished look. Lately, I've been liking to kind of take a few pieces on the side and pull them back like that. And it just gives a different look with the curled hair. But if you don't want to do anything to it and you just want to keep it like this, totally fine. One tip, if your hair is getting a little flat, just flip your hair. So like just put your head down and like flip it up. It'll help a lot. If you don't want to flip your hair, just kind of run your fingers through it. My hair holds curls really well, so I don't put hairspray in it. But if you have trouble with that and need hairspray, this would be the point where you put hairspray in. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this and you kind of learned some tips on curling your hair if you didn't know already. Remember that curling your hair is something to get used to. If you're having a lot of trouble at the beginning, don't give up, because once you start doing it over and over again, it is going to become second nature like it kind of did for me. If you really liked this video, don't forget to subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and let me know what other videos you want to see. I hope you guys have a wonderful day or night, whatever that may be for you, and I will see you in the next video.